Hi, so this might seem familiar. I'm a postdoc between Paul Kerno and Ross Anderson. So you kind of heard a bit about what our proteins do. We're designing redox proteins. I thought I'd just mention some of the points where we're using AI through design. So we're using AI, we can design protein structure to bind redox active cofactors. We're using AI to design the sequences, predict their structures, to improve these designs iteratively on the computer, but we also take these all the way through to atomistic simulation. We create these proteins, express them in cells, and we can reconstitute our membrane proteins into sort of model respiratory or electron transport processes in liposomes. And I think what would be quite interesting is to see what is the next step from here. So going from the model systems in the labs, now we have robust control over electron transport in membranes. Can we find some sort of medical applications to this? Which obviously is beyond our expertise, but we could achieve through some collaboration. So I think if any of this seems interesting to you, or if you want any help maybe using some of these AI tools for design, come and talk to us. Thanks.